So into the class, yesterday, student already I started. I can say like wave motion. So student in yesterday class, mostly I discussed basic points of you can say wave motion. But in today class, I'll do I can say my dear maximum theory point. Come numerical means balanced way. Not only can say like theory one side and numerical one side. No, not at all. I can say both side beta. This is remains balanced only. So in today class, student literally I can say it's more beneficial. You will enjoy a lot because it's easy. It's more easy, my dear. Right? Okay, because I'll give you exposure how to solve any toughest question, right? So I can say, bacha, this is questions number one. Yesterday I gave as an assignment, right, my dear? So this is what velocity of wave which I mentioned. This is 2 meter per second. At a displacement x0, there is a mention by as a function of t. Y is equals to 2 upon 1 plus t square. So find equation of wave. Okay. So student, basically we have to find here what is the equation of wave. Hare Krishna, student. Okay. So here are further. I wanted to discuss with the party how can we solve further these equations, right? So Vitaji, for this condition, you can go through this. How? Vitaji, maybe s 1 plus t square. So, beta, there is something here which I wanted to innovate over there. This is a beta, I can say the things. Attention, everyone here only on class. Okay. So yesterday my parents were not there at home, so I couldn't. But I was looking to you, beta. Then who I can see there was basically, sir, can you derive the result of velocity of history? Everything today I'll do, bacha. Yes, I'll do, bacha ji. Yes, beta. So I can see yesterday I was looking. Okay, okay, bacha. Okay, beta. Okay, SR01. So now you join beta. This is an SR01, beta. Just at least here, like the session, bacha, and show some reaction, beta. I can say SS and both of you, bacha. Okay, so how do beta? I'm going to beta solve this question there, which I gave you yesterday. So this is what is good. SS, did you solve the question yet? SS, yesterday beta I gave you one questions. Next lecture beta 9 o'clock. Uh, beta, God bless you both of you to like the session. I can see someone joined newly just now. Okay, because there are 9 people watching. Okay, so I wanted minimum nine likes. Okay, so bacha, yesterday I gave you my idea. That is, I can say, beta the question. So I'm repeating again, bacha party, because it's literally that question which I gave yesterday. It's good only, bacha. Okay, so beta what I can say question bacha party x is equals to 0. So beta z y is equals to what you can write 2 upon. Yesterday I gave it 1 plus t square. This is the question. In which beta what we wish to find? We wish to find what is the equation of wave. What is the equation of wave? That is questions here. So find my dear equation of wave. Find equation of wave. Okay. So what's the party? Have a look at for this question, my dear. Okay. So it's basically what's 1 plus t square, right? So if you remember the things which I discussed in today class and yesterday also I discussed in live session and today also I discussed I can see like in the classroom as usual. Good evening, student. Harshit, how are you, beta? After a long time, I'm looking you. So what's the latest here? You can say beta say for t bacha party. You can write for any time t prime. You can say. So time got decreases, bacha. So you can write what t is equals to x minus b. You know how I wrote. I hope all of you got the point because I taught beta this point in the classroom. So what's that t and x beta both have a different sign. T and x beta, what we can say both have a different sign. If T and X have a different sign, bacha party, then what we can say? What's the motion of particle? What is the motion of wave, my dear? What is the motion of wave? Positive x-axis or negative x-axis? Yesterday also, today also said in the classroom. In live class also, physical class also. Okay, fine. Betaji, this is, you can take assumption both here because this is t square. Betaji, this is a t square beta, so you can take assumption both. Okay, correct beta. Correct beta, Sagar. Correct, my dear. Very good, very good. So beta, this is what you can see, bacha, which I have taken assumption. T prime is what? T minus x by v, bacha. So you can say this is what? Positive, positive x-axis. Beta, what we can say? Positive x-axis. For bacha, negative x-axis. For negative x-axis. Beta, what you can write here? This is what? You can see T prime means there is some decrement. This is, my dear, T plus x by b. T plus x by b. Right, bacha? Okay. So what is the equation here which you can write? So, bacha, you can write y is equals to, because we used to find equation of b, bacha. Y is equals to 2 upon beta 1 plus, this is what? T minus x by v beta the whole square. So this is answer of this question which I gave you yesterday. Yes, beta. T y is equals to 2 upon 1 plus t minus x by v. Okay, I hope all of you done here. Now, bacha ji, next question there. Based on same beta, same pattern, right? Which beta, I can say yesterday we have done. Okay, now, so what's the next question here? Everyone, attention. Find, find shape of wave. This is a question, bacha party. I can see in today class, Rubita, SS, someone was asking, sir, how you make a graph like symmetrical? Basically, bacha, this is the question. IIT bacha, 1999, 1999, beta, which I saw study in your classroom. Very advanced. This is what, my dear, JEE Advanced. Okay, what question is here? So beta, find, my dear, find shape of wave. Find shape of wave. Beta, this is the question here. So what's question, bacha party? Same question I'm writing, bacha party, which I gave you a study in part by part. So this is what? 1 plus g square. What, my dear? 1 plus g square. 1 plus g square. Uh, Not clear? Anyone, can you update me here? Oh, Daivik, you join beta, 9 o'clock. Yes, Daivik, beta, Hare Krishna, beta, 9 o'clock, my dear. Beta, ji, 9 o'clock. Beta, just anyone update me here, like Sagar, SS, Daivik. Beta, is this photograph clear, beta, audio, video? Audio, video clear, beta, because someone writing in chat box. Daivik, beta, can you, beta, confirm me, beta, audio, video clear? Daivik, beta, can you confirm me? Okay, then why writing here someone in chat box that your photograph is not clear? Yeah, don't disturb class, bacha, please. Right. Okay. Beta, God bless you, bacha. Thank you, beta, for your confirmation here, beta. Okay, fine. Very good, beta, SS. Okay. I can see Sagar, beta, very good. Beta, don't disturb class here, anyone who I can see in the chat. Don't write unwanted things spam in chat box here. So, but I have a look here because yesterday, beta, today, beta, this question I solved in your classroom in part by part, right? But I can say, bacha, uh, okay. So, bacha, this is beta what? Y is equals to 2y1 plus t square. So, beta, you have to join bacha 9 o'clock. So, with my dear beta, you have to join beta class 9 o'clock because this is the class beta going on for, I can say, another class beta, wave motion for 11th class topic. Your class bacha, I'll take you 9 o'clock, exact 9 o'clock bacha. Yes. So, Sivir beta, I hope you understand. So, by beta, what we can see 2 plus 1, 1 by t square bacha. Beta, put bacha party, t is equals to 0. Beta, just have a look at because we wish to find what is the shape bacha in solution bacha party. Let us suppose as an assumption bacha at t is equals to 0. So, beta, what you can write here? So, this is what y is equals to 2. Beta, what we can see? Y is equals to 2, my dear. Okay. Bacha ji, as I have taken it previously here, so now bacha, this t here, I'm going to take beta in different ways. So y is equals to 2 beta. 1 plus, this is what? t minus beta g x by till which party we remember na yaar velocity you can write v is equals to beta x by t v is equals to x by t, right bacha? So beta g for this condition, simply you can ask me beta what is nature of graph. Students, simply just you can answer me beta because this is what even function, no need for this entire explanation bacha party over here, right? So for this condition bacha, let us suppose if you are considering is what beta g t prime t minus x by v. Just take assumption. So you can write beta party this entire terms. Okay. So beta just take an assumption beta here t is equals to 0. If t is equals to 0 bacha, then what you can write? Y is equals to t upon 1 plus x by v bacha party whole square. You can write now bacha? Okay. Beta there is a mention in the question here. If you remember in the previous questions, yesterday which I gave. What is the velocity of wave? This is what these all are common question, my dear. 2 meter per second. What bacha party? 2 meter per second. So bacha party here you can write simply here. V is equals to 2 bacha. So you can say finally you can write beta finally here. This is what y is equals to beta g 2 upon 1 plus x square by 4. X square by 4. Now beta in today classroom I said here graph of any even function. Just answer me. Graph of any even function. Answer me. Graph of any even function. Today, beta, I taught in the classroom here. Graph of any even function. Symmetric about what? Correct only. Correct, Bacha Pati. Bacha ji, what is the question here? Equation you can write y is equals to 2 upon 1 plus x square by 4. Right. So, my mean to ask Bacha, what is the graph here? By in x. Always symmetric about what? Correct answer on bias. Correct, beta. I'm proud of you, beta. I'm feeling literally beta proud of both of you, bacha. So always beta graph you can see for even function beta what you can see symmetric about bi-axis bacha party. So this is beta you can write 0 comma 2 because you know here x is what 0 on bi-axis my dear x is what 0. So what's answer bacha party 0 comma 2. What was the party? 0, comma 2. I hope all of you understand. I hope all of you understand here. I hope all of you understand. Okay, so let's start next topic, my dear. Or are you writing? Are you writing or should I start next topic? I'm asking here, respond me. Are you writing or should I start next topic? Respond me, bacha. Should I start next topic? Okay, fine. Got it, bacha. Someone responded me. Okay, very good. So now, beta, have a look at next one. Everyone, coming topic literally are very, very interesting. Coming topic, bacha, literally very, very interesting. So what might here? This is relation between particle velocity, particle velocity and relation between my dear particle velocity and bacha. Okay, fine. Bachaji, this is what wave velocity. My dear, it's highly important. Now, which I'm going to discuss, super important, my dear. Right? So be attentive. I'll also go slower because you are not in front of me. So you can't tell anything. I'm also not much looking much. I can see chat box, right? So I'll be concentrate here only, bacha. Be everyone concentrate here only, bacha. So what's a topic? Relation between particle velocity and my dear wave velocity. Okay. Now, students, in today class, I taught here that is what y as a function of x comma t. Y as a what function of x comma t, which is so I can write y is equals to this is a sine omega t minus kx. What, my dear? Y is equals to a sine omega t minus kx. Right. Beta, let us suppose students I'm telling. Listen carefully, everyone. Listen carefully, everyone. I'll go little slower. Beta, y is equals to a sine omega t minus kx. Right. Okay. Bacha ji, differentiate above terms. Differentiate equation number one. Differentiate equation one with respect to time and keep keep x is constant. Yes, beta. This is known as, my dear, partial differentiation. Beta, here what I wrote, you have to differentiate equation number one with respect to time, keeping x is what? Constant. Keeping beta what? X is constant. Okay. So beta, I'll not disturb this one, party. Students, I'll not disturb this point, right? Now what I'll discuss only party this one. So just beta do differentiation here. So this is known as partial differentiation. Daba by y, what beta we can say? Daba t, which is nothing, my dear. I hope all of you remember here. If we have a displacement equation, if we will differentiate one time, then what we'll get? Velocity of a particle. So this is what, my dear. You know, yeah, here, so now I'm going to apply chain rule. Here, student, I'm going to apply which as the chain rule, right? So I hope all of you remember here. What's the chain rule? What's the chain rule? Bacha, first listen me carefully, my dear. The students, first I'll do differentiation of primary function. Second, beta z, I'll do differentiation of secondary function. So beta sine is, my dear, sine, my dear, this is the primary function, and beta time is what, my dear? Secondary function. So student, first I'll differentiate the sine function, then I'll differentiate, my dear, time. Right. So I hope all of you remember. Otherwise, I'm telling you, but this is first differentiation here. Differentiation of differentiation of sine omega t upon dt. Right. So again, you can treat bacha. Sine is a primary function and omega t is a secondary function. So first you will do bacha differentiation of sine. So what you can say bacha? Sine differentiation. This is cos of, my dear, omega t. Right. Now, bacha, what is the terms we have here? So, sine function you already differentiated. Remaining beta secondary function is what? Omega t. So, beta do individually beta omega t differentiation. I hope all of you know, sir, omega is remains constant and dt by t is what? One only. So what is beta? Simply, what's the trick here? What is the trick, my dear? Just keep in your mind. What is the coefficient of time? What is the coefficient of time? Only what? Omega. So beta, you have to differentiate the student primary function and multiply to what, my dear? Secondary function. Multiply to what, my dear? Secondary function. That's all. That much. So now, bacha, here we wish to write, we wanted to differentiate what? This displacement equations to keep x constant bachcha party, right? So what you can say, sine is a beta trap function. So we can first write, my dear, a into beta what? Sine becomes cos. So this is what? Cos of beta g omega t minus kx. Minus kx, bacha. Now think once what I said. Beta, keeping x is constant. Student only have to differentiate omega t. Student only have to differentiate omega t, bacha. So again, you can do this is what, because x is constant, so you can forget. You can beta forget here. So what, simply beta you can multiply over there. This is what omega. This is what omega, right? So what is bacha? You can write here. Finally, bacha, but a differentiated already displacement function one time. So what you can write, a this is cos of omega t minus beta g kx. This is what. Let us say beta. You can take this is what equation one, bacha ji. This is equation number two. If all of you got how I wrote how I differentiated this equation and I wrote this one, so just show your reaction. If you literally got how VP I wrote over there, understand. If you understand the lecture, show your reaction. If you understand the lecture, yeah, then show reaction. Anyone? Okay, means I can say no one understands the lecture. Okay. Okay, someone got it. Okay. Okay. Then write also in chat box. Also write in chat box here. Okay. Fine. Now, bacha ji, this is what velocity particle. Now, beta, just differentiate again. Equations number one. Okay. So, beta, God bless you, my dear. Okay. Students, differentiate, beta. Good, 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 good. So, with my champ, bacha ji, I can say, beta, differentiate. My dear, this is differentiate equation 1, differentiate equation 1 to keeping beta. Keeping, you can say, keeping what? Time is constant. To keep time is constant, my dear. Okay, fine. So here beta, what you can write here? This is what? A differentiation of dabba by dabba x. So beta, here you can take care. Omega t is constant, bacha. Just do differentiation of x, my dear. Beta, you can take, bacha. Here is what I can say. Omega t constant, and this is what x differentiation. But one thing is remains common, bacha. Again, here I'll apply. That is the chain rule, bacha. So this is what, my dear. This is what, my dear. You can say this is a remains same. There is no change at all. Sine beta, what you can write? Cos. You can write, my dear, sine is nothing but cos. Beta, first write beta as it is. Uh, First beta ji as it is here. So this is what, my dear? Omega t minus kx. First bacha party omega t minus kx. Now bacha party just do here. Omega t beta remains constant. Differentiation of bacha what? K into x bacha. So this is beta what I can say remains in bacha. So this is what, my dear, just multiplier. As I said the trick. As I said the trick bacha, if anywhere, if you are going to apply or if you understand in this question, I'll apply chain rule. So simply it's a trick. Beta, you have to multiply coefficient of what with respect to we are doing. Because here the student be differentiated equation number one with respect to time. So what is the time coefficient omega? Keep it out, right? So here a little bit of changes, my dear. Extremely sorry, beta. This is you can say a omega, a cos omega t, bacha, but right. In fact, I have to write here a omega. I'll write here once. So velocity of particle beta, this is a omega cos of omega t minus kx. Okay, so here beta a cos omega t beta kx minus kx, bacha. Just keep it out, bacha. So you can write this is what basically slope here. Dabba by dabba x. You can write, my dear, what slope here. So this is minus a k cos of omega t minus kx minus a k cos omega t minus kx bacha bati. So this is nothing bacha. What you can write bacha, this is what basically slope. This is beta what you can say slope here. So equations number beta, this is second. This is you can say bacha party third. This is beta what I can say third here. Just beta divide. Beta divide equation number second and third. Student divide equations number second and third. Beta take snapshot bacha. I want you to turn the page. Student take snapshot students. I wanted to turn the page. Okay, fine. I hope you have taken. So now here I am going to write bacha. I can say once again here velocity of particle equations. Vp is equals to A omega cos of omega t minus kx. Now, beta, this is you can say dabba dabba x. You can also write, my dear, dabba by dabba t. This is minus ak cos beta. This is omega t minus kx. Right, my dear? Okay, beta, as I said here, just differentiate beta, equation number second and third. Beta, this is second, this is third beta party. So just beta differentiate these two. So you can write dabba by dabba t, dabba by dabba t upon bacha ji, dabba by dabba x, dabba by dabba x. Okay. So beta, what is the things here? Just you can beta road beta just write this thing over here. A omega cos of omega t minus kx upon बचा पार्टी minus a k cos of omega t minus k. Beta, I can say beta. So this is finished. This a finished. So dabba y by dabba t. This is what, my dear. I hope all of you remember beta. Dabba by dabba t beta. What we can write? Velocity of particle, which is equals to beta minus time. This is what omega by k. Omega by k. Beta study I said you bacha. What is the wave number? This is omega by v. So we can write, my dear, omega by k is equals to v. Omega by k is equals to v. Beta just multiply dabba by dabba x. This is what bacha ji? Dabba by dabba x. You know, bacha, this is velocity of particle. This is what you can see velocity of wave into beta what we can say slope. Into beta what we can say slope here. So what is the heading, my dear, for these questions? I hope all of you remember. We wish to find a relation between, we wish to find, my dear, a relation between particle velocity and wave velocity. So finally, student, we got it here. This is what beta k is equals to. So beta, this is VP here. So I'll write, my dear, here only. Yes, beta, I'll write, my dear. This is the velocity of particle. Beta the velocity of particle is equals to minus times velocity of wave into beta slope. Students, you can't imagine how this is important. Beta, highly important. Literally, yeah, it's a highly important. So now onward, keep in mind, this is a relation help you a lot. Velocity of particle, which is equals to minus times velocity of wave into slope. Velocity of particle, which is equals to minus times velocity of wave into slope, bacha. Okay, so here, bacha, we can understand, we can do many questions. How can we decide what is the direction of velocity of particle and what is the direction of velocity of wave? Means velocity of wave mentioned in the question. We have to justify our answer. How can we get velocity of particle? Let's beta everyone pay attention on the class only. So this is, my dear, first questions. Beta, what's the questions over here? Comment on student. Comment on comment on direction of motion of particle. That much only, bacha. Comment in beta what? Direction of motion of particle. Okay, you have to answer me like leftward, rightward, upward, downward, like this. Bacha. Okay, so this is beta first example here. Let us suppose, since here I'm considering this is what? Wave propagating like this. Right, let's say 30. Here, student, you just answer me. Hey, let us suppose I'm asking for a particular point. Uh, yes, beta. I'm asking over here. Let us suppose this point I'm calling beta point A. This is beta what? Point A, right? So beta the point A, you have to answer me beta. At point A beta, you have to answer me what is the direction of particle at point A. Behalf of this formula. If you understand derivation how this formula came, then you can answer me these questions. Then student, you can answer me these questions. Comment on direction of motion of particle. Comment on direction of motion of particle. It a point already I highlighted. That is what you can say point A. But there is a condition, bacha. I have to also clarify. Yes, I forgot, bacha. This is my dear direction of velocity of wave. This is what directions of velocity of wave. Velocity of wave motion in this direction. So you have to comment what is the direction of point A? Means what is the direction of particle at point A? What is the direction of particle at point A? What is the direction of particle point A? Okay, anyone? Okay, fine. Upward directions. Okay, got it. Got it. Okay, bacha. Now, yeah, I'm going to solve bacha, this question here. Beta ji, listen carefully here. Beta just drew tangent over there. This point student drew tangent only. Yes, drew tangent. Okay. Bacha ji, I can say if you draw tangent here, just simply say everyone at point A, student at point A, just beta answer me. Slope is, let us suppose I'm telling option here, so that you can answer me. Slope at A is positive, orbit as A, slope is equals to negative at point A. In which, what's your answer? Slope is positive or slope is negative? Slope is positive or slope is negative? Okay, who's this? Okay, who is this? Someone joined newly. Oh, very good. Clapping here. Everyone saw reaction here. For everyone saw severe here. Got it. Got it. Got it. Everyone saw your reaction for severe here. Everyone saw reaction for severe here. Literally, very good. Very good job. Good job. Hats off, beta. Very good. Yeah. Correct. 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 I'm very happy to see it. Literally, if Suver is there, na, so I'm getting more energy in the classroom. Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. It's a true, yeah. It's true, beta. Either beta, I can say last 2 days, beta, it was not available. I was taking classes, but not much energy. But now, today, I was very happy to see you, bacha. Okay, correct answer here because slope beta less than 90 here. Beta, what we can say less than 90 bacha party, so we can say bacha. But no, it's fine, bacha Suvir. Beta slope beta positive here, so beta what we can say, beta just you can see slope positive here. So what is the direction of velocity particle here? It's beta downward direction, bacha. Student velocity particle is what bacha party? Velocity of particle motion in downward direction here. Very good. Yes. Jai Shri Ram, student. So this is the point answer of this question. Okay, now beta, I'm giving you more next question here. Anyone doubt? Please ask me now only. If anyone has a doubt, ask me now only so that I can you can do next question correctly only. So that you can do next question correct only. Okay. Sir, can you explain? Okay. Listen carefully. Listen, beta. Carefully, Sagar, beta. Anywhere, na? If anyone asking, I can say, sir, both velocity are popping. Oh, NS, you also joined. When you joined, beta, NS? Now I'm just looking you. In fact, I'm not paying more attention here in the live. I can see in chat box. Okay. Bacha Pati, listen here. Beta, Sagar, your queries. Bacha ji, Sagar, beta. I'll explain here, beta. Then you can understand. Beta. Sagar, beta, listen. Bacha, just draw this diagram, beta, only. This much only. Sagar, just draw, beta, this part only. Right. Basically, beta, this is your point A. This is your point A, right? Bacha, if this is point A, bacha, Sagar, simply you can answer me. If you will do tangent at this point, tangent is nothing but it's a slope only. Tangent is nothing but it's a slope only. So what is the slope? You tell Sagar. Sagar, you tell what is the slope? Tell me fast. Positive. Now, beta Sagar, I gave you formula here. What is the velocity of particle? Minus times velocity of wave into slope. Slope remains positive. So what is the direction of velocity? Negative only. Direction of velocity negative bacha party. So this is the answer only, yeah, in downward directions. I hope you understand, Sagar. I hope you understand, Sagar. Reply me fast, Sagar. I have to do next question. If slope is positive, then you can put over here in answer. Your slope positive, beta, put in the formula. Slope positive, beta, Sagar, put in the formula. I hope you got it. Respond me fast, Sagar, beta. You are responding very, very late here. Sagar, quickly. Then I'll give next question, na? I'll give next question, na? Why are you worried about this? Is clear or not? Just tell me first. Are you comfortable in this solution or not? Okay, fine, good. Now, Bachaji, if you are, yes, okay. Then Sagar, so reaction. Then Sagar, so reaction. Okay. Huh. Now, but next question here. The next question, beta, questions remain same. Comment on direction of velocity of particle. Student, comment on direction of velocity of particle. Comment on beta direction of velocity of particle. Okay, now bacha party. Let us suppose beta for this condition, I'm considering my dA. As usual, this is the way, right? Okay, but there's little change in my dA. The student for this time, I'll take little changes right now. Okay, Bachaji, this is the direction of velocity of wave. This is what? Direction of velocity of wave. Listen carefully, beta, everyone. Okay. Now, beta, I'm asking to you. Uh, you have to just answer me, beta, at this point here. Let us suppose I'm calling point A. What is the direction of velocity of particle at point A? What is the direction of velocity of particle at point A? You can take your time, don't worry. Sir, both slope and velocity are positive. Slope beta, you can tell na bacha. Slope is positive. Velocity negative na beta ji. Velocity, my dear, negative na beta ji. Okay, velocity of particle you wrote beta severe or beta velocity of wave you wrote positive. Your answer correct, severe beta. Slope positive. Slope is positive. Correct, correct. Yes, yes. Correct beta. Yes. Now I'm looking chat here, everyone. Very good. Hmm. Slope positive. Positive. Okay, fine. Then comment everyone. Till now I got answer from Shavir, SS, NS. Okay. B will beta in this direction. This is the direction of the bacha but negative x-axis. Okay. Okay. When you join session, Arvind, beta, tell. Beta Shavir, what's your answer? Direction of particle. Negative. No, no. I mean to say, beta, direction of particle, bacha, Shavir, you have to answer me. Upward, downward, leftward, or rightward. Like this, beta. You have to answer me in this fashion. You have to answer in bacha party in this fashion. How is the velocity is negative? But I'll reply very soon here. NS, just wait here for a few seconds. Upward. Okay, I got answer from Sagar. I got answer from Sagar. Okay, sir, I am from first in stream. Okay, okay, very good, very good, bacha. Okay, 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 fine. Okay, SS, SS, your answer downward. I can say Arvind upward. Uh, okay, Subir left. Okay, someone showing reaction here. Very good. Okay, fine. Now, bacha, but now I'm going to explaining here. Now, student, I'm going to explaining here. Listen carefully, everyone. Again, it's not tough. I'll give more question here because you will get this kind of questions on Saturday test. Okay, Bachaji, I'm literally feeling proud on all of you. You can say, at this point, slope is positive. This point, slope is positive. Correct, beta. Which you answer. Beta, what? Slope is positive. No doubt. Correct, beta, buddy. Next year, I'm going to use beta, velocity of particle. Formula is what? Minus times velocity of wave into beta is slope. Right now. But you know, bacha, velocity of wave bacha party this time negative here. Velocity of wave bacha negative axis na subir beta. So this is beta negative. Beta, you know, negative beta I wrote because it came in derivation, right? So here beta I can write velocity of particle bacha party. This is what my dear minus of beta minus velocity of wave. Slope beta positive here, so you can say beta plus 1 minus minus plus beta by t. So you can write, my dear, the velocity of particle is nothing but this is what beta in upward direction, my dear. Yes, correct. Now, Sagar, how much you have taken time here for that question, but I'm literally feeling proud on you, bacha. You took time, but you answered correctly. Sagar, your answer is correct only. Sagar, beta, your answer is correct only. Just imagine here in live session how all of you doing very good job. I got it here. Literally, beta, NS. Okay, beta, God bless you. No, no, I'm telling me, yeah, it's live session, but because of you are, I can say, motivating me. How everyone asking queries, clarifying here. Hats off, beta. All of you doing very good job here. Now understand. Okay, very good, very good. Literally, yeah, if you everyone liking session, yeah, so everyone reaction, yeah, at least 5 seconds regularly. I'm counting. One, two, three, four, five. I hope. Yes, I'm getting very much reaction from all of you. Okay, beta ji. Now I can say, beta, do the questions here. because here Suvik joined, so I'll do your question in advance only and toughest questions only because all of you also joined here. So I'm really feeling proud, beta, to see each and every one. Yes, beta. Okay, do beta next question there. Do beta next questions. Okay, I'm giving here one more last question because Suvir got didn't answer this question correctly. One more question I'm just giving you for everyone. Yes, yes, beta. Now this is a question everyone here. Just I'm looking answer from each and everyone like NS, Suvir, Sagar, yes, yes. These all people usually I can say chatting a lot and trying to responding answer here. Okay, now bacha party. Question remains same bacha. Comment on this is comment on direction of velocity of particle. Okay. Now, beta, I can see diagram, but I'm just showing everyone here only. Hmm. Bacha ji, beta, this time I'm asking here, bacha. No, I wanted to see. Okay, here I asked now already. Okay, answer me, beta, this point, beta. This is new for us. I hope everyone. Beta, this point A, bacha. Listen carefully, everyone here. This point is A, bacha ji. And so will beta, you can take beta. Direction of velocity of wave, bacha. This is my dear NS. NS, Sagar. SS. Repeat, I'm repeating question here, everyone. This is the direction of velocity of wave. Bacha, this is point. Okay. Beta, this is what? Point A. Beta, you have to answer me correct, beta, Suvir. Okay, so correct. Very good. No, 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 no. Negative, negative. Think once, Subir beta. Subir beta, think once again. No, 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 not downward. Not downward, my dear. Not downward. Direct. Correct. Subir, correct beta. Very good. Savas. Very good beta. Very good. Correct, yeah. Yes. Correct. Abad only answer. Answer only abad here. Yes. Correct, beta. Now, everyone here have looked solution was a party. Literally are all of you liking session yeah, so at least yeah, so everyone like session yeah, and beta the story reaction yeah, everyone correct answer beta. NS beta, correct here, very good, correct beta buddy, because you can say everyone yeah, from here only so tangent, you will do tangent, my dear student. If you will do tangent, so beta what you can say here, this is the tangent bacha, right now. So slope is what? Negative. You can say everyone, this is what? Slope bacha party negative. Slope negative here. I hope all of you remember. Velocity of particle formula beta. Minus times what? Velocity of wave. Into beta, this is what? You can see slope. So bacha, this time here velocity of wave is positive. So you can say, my dear, minus times velocity of wave into beta slope, beta is negative only. Negative positive here. So what we can say, so this is what beta positive means particle motion like this, na beta ji. Na beta. You can say beta ji here also here. This is beta what? Direction of motion of particle in upward direction. Direction of motion of particle. You answered very late here. I can say SS. Okay, very good. Yeah. No, be active here in life session. Then you will get benefits. Yes, Vacha. Now here, anyone doubt? So should I stop this kind of format of questions? Should I start new pattern of question here? Should I stop it? This format of questions? Okay. Till now I didn't get reply from anyone. Yes. Okay. Yes, Subir. Yes. Good, beta. Next question here. Beta, AI triple E asked beta two times. One time I'm pretty sure. Okay. बच्चा जी, yes. What is the question, बच्चा? I have to frame. Different. Beta, note down question, everyone. Everyone, note down question. Differentiate, differentiate, differentiate y as a function of x comma t, y as a function of x comma t two times, two times with respect to time and beta with respect to x, and find relation. हाँ ऐसा giving बच्चा I'm giving बच्चा find relation बच्चा पार्टी find relation here by beta what as a function of x comma t differentiate given function two times, differentiate given function two times, and you have to create a relation, you have to create a relation. This function you have to differentiate two times with respect to time, and two time you have to differentiate with respect to x, and tell me relation, and tell me what is a relation coming, what is a relation coming. Yeah, everyone past. uh, Hard to type, sir. Okay, okay, but now I'm doing bacha, don't worry. I'm doing bacha party, don't worry, my dear. Okay. Okay, yes, yes, literally, beta. You correct, Subir, beta. It's not easy to type bacha party. I'm doing bacha party. Listen me carefully here. If beta, if there is any error, beta, listen, everyone, watch my solution. If there is any error here, bacha, write in chat box. Now, beta, I'll just pay attention here only, bacha, to derive the result. So, beta, how? What's the questions here? Here, beta, ji, we are looking to find relation between relation between what? You can say double differentiation two time. This is what, my dear? Daba 2 by daba t square. And my dear, this is daba 2 by daba x square. Yes, beta. We wish to find relation here. Just imagine, beta, I can see those students watching me currently, beta. You imagine, beta, how big is the teaching here? Beta, everything. I literally believe only derivation. Right. So derivation required here. Everyone also watching everywhere, either physical classroom or live classroom. Derivation I'm preferring more, bacha, because there is a learning is more. Derivation is learning more, bacha. Okay, bacha. So now, beta, I'm going to differentiate first time, beta, with respect to beta party time, bacha. So this is, let us say, my dear, equation number one. So student, now I'm going to differentiate beta z with respect to time, right? Equation one. Beta, God bless you for your reaction, my dear. So this is what I can see. Daba by daba t. I hope all of you remember here. Daba by daba t. What, my dear? Bacha, this is. Uh, I'm not repeating here. What's the chain rule? Already I said. Already I taught, my dear. So this is a bacha ji sine. Sorry, my sorry here. Sine beta cos here. Sine becomes beta primary function, bacha. So this is cos. That this will come beta as it is omega t minus kx. But what I said trick here, because now you are differentiating with respect to time, bacha. So what is the coefficient of time? Omega. So simply, beta, you can multiply. So what's your answer if you will differentiate this equation 1 with respect to time? So you can write, student, a omega, what, my dear? This is cos of omega t minus kx. Now, beta party. Okay, fine. Then, beta, what you can see, my dear, again here, because what's it? Differentiate double time. You can also write beta g. This is nothing but it's the what velocity of particle. So now beta, if you will differentiate one bacha, one again, means I mean to say with respect to time bacha, so you can write this is nothing but it's the acceleration of particle. So this is what my dear, dawa 2 by dawa t square. So this is students, you can say a omega. Again, you have to apply chain rule. So this is cos bacha party. What you can say as usual bacha. This is what minus cos differentiation what minus bacha. Don't forget sine beta. This entire terms beta will come as this because now you are differentiating primary function, my dear. This is omega t minus kx. What is students? I can say for chain rule. I said short trick for chain rule because you initially differentiated cos function, which is minus a omega sine omega t minus kx, and I can say this entire terms. Just forget about x. What is the multiple of only you can say time? That is omega. So beta entire terms student you have to just multiply by omega. So finally you can write acceleration of particle is equals to minus a beta g omega square. This is what my dear sine of beta g omega t minus kx. What बच्चा sin a minus beta a omega square sin omega t minus k. Very good here. So now beta, this is the acceleration of particle. Now beta, I'm going to differentiate student. Now I'm going to differentiate with respect to time. Sorry, with respect to beta x. Keeping bachcha party. Keeping what you can say time is constant. Okay, my dear. Okay. So, bacha, here you can write daba by daba x, daba x, my dear. Okay. So again, student, you can apply chain rule. Beta this function here. So, beta, I'll write first as it is. This is what remains a sine beta. This is cos. This will beta come as it is omega t minus kx. And now, what is the coefficient of x? Minus k. So, you can write Bachchaji in multiple minus k only. So, we can write finally minus a k cos beta g omega t minus kx. Right, Bachcha Party? Okay. Now, student, again, I'm going to differentiate here. So, this is daba 2 by beta g daba x square. What was the party? Again here, you have to apply same rule, my dear. So this remains minus a k. And cos is what? Minus sine. So minus minus plus beta g. This is sine of omega t minus kx. Now, beta, what is the coefficient of x beta, which is equals to minus k, my dear? So we can multiply beta the minus k over here. So what you can write finally minus a k square beta k into k a square into my dear sine of omega t minus kx. What was that party? Minus kx. Okay. Now, dear, what you can write in your mind, because we used to find result there. Daba 2 by daba t square and daba 2 by daba x square. Simply, bacha, just differentiate these two. Yes, beta, you can say, my dear, let us suppose equations number 1, my dear, you can take equations number 2. Now, students, you can say this is equations number 3. This is what, my dear, equations number 3. So here, beta, just differentiate bacha party. Everyone, bacha, just differentiate beta what? I can say equation second by third. Beta just differentiate बच्चा equation second by third. So divide student divide equation second and third. Divide student equation second by third. So second is what बच्चा party? You can say daba 2 by beta daba t square. Beta third one. This is what my dear daba 2 by daba x square. But I think carefully here. This one also sine omega t minus kx. I'll write once here. Minus a omega square. What, my dear? Sine of omega t minus kx. अपन बच्चा जी minus a k square sine of omega t minus kx. Now, students, we can just cancel each other. This is here cancel. A and A cancel. What you can write here finally with Chapati. This is students. You can see what minus minus cancel here. So this is omega square by k square. Omega square by k square. Student, just now I said what is omega by k? It's nothing but this is the velocity of particle. Sorry, velocity of wave. Beta, what my dear? Velocity of wave, right? So what is the result, beta? No, this result, bacha party, AI triple A, I'm pretty confident, beta, one time they asked directly. They asked bacha directly here. Okay, so what bacha party? I'll write here finally over here only. So this is what my dear? This is what my dear? Daba 2 by daba t square upon बच्चा daba 2 by daba x square is equals to beta जी omega square upon k square. Beta yesterday I said here and beginning of lesson today also I said this is what k is nothing else, it's a wave number, which is what you can write by party omega by v. You can write bacha party omega by v, right bacha? So this is what I can write finally here. This is what my dear daba by student daba t square is equals to beta what we can write velocity of wave here. So this is what my dear velocity of wave whole square into bacha. This is what daba 2 by daba x square. I'm pretty confident, my dear. This question asked in AI triple E. AI triple E beta. One time I'm pretty confident. Yes, beta. So just be remember here, you can also see what's what this is slope square, right? So just believe on yourself. Believe I can see on teaching methodology at physics one. No, beta. Live stream I explained each and every point yet, and I also spoke very slowly so that you can understand. Okay. Now which I can see next year I can see uh, beta I can see usually beta I was using right what I wanna beta I went one day market but I didn't get it beta spiral. So beta for some time beta I'm using beta God bless you. Sometime beta for few I can say few topics I'm just managing beta this is going to finish right. I'll go beta I'll purchase spiral only beta God bless you for your suggestion beta. Yes, very nice. I'm very happy to see Bacha, this kind of candidate here. Good, beta. God bless you all here. I'm very happy to see each and everyone, those watching me currently. Now, beta, have a look questions here, everyone. So this is, I can say, a question based on, I can say, previous content, which I delivered. So you can say, bacha, y as a what? Function of x, comma, g. So this is what, my dear? E to it's again yeah it's advanced questions, it's advanced questions minus x plus 2t. Yes, beta, it's an advanced question, my dear. Y as a beta function of x comma t e to the power minus x plus 2t. E to the power beta minus x plus 2t. Answer me, bacha, party everyone. What's the question for this question? Beta, you have to answer me what is the velocity of wave and what is the nature of current. I'll write beta here only. Find following. Find following. First beta ji, velocity of wave, and second beta, draw graph. Draw graph of given function. Draw graph of given function. Draw graph of given function. Uh, Draw graph of given function. Okay. Anyone answer me in chat box? What's your answer? After, if I'll receive your answer, then I'll solve the question. God bless you for your reaction, student. I'm very happy to share all of you. Okay. Uh, okay. Velocity. Okay. Okay. Uh, Good, beta. Shivir. Okay. Now, beta, I'm going to solve this question here. And to the velocity of wave. Okay. Okay, beta. Shivir, beta. I'll tell you, beta, party. What it is. Beta, I'll go by mathematics only, right? Attention, everyone here only. Pay attention on lecture, my dear. In Vitacy, I can say for solution, right? So beta for solution here, what you can say? Beta differentiate beta first time. Then beta what will get velocity particle. Okay, okay, beta. Beat beta. I'll confirm bacha, my dear. So beta for velocity, I just now be finished here. We have a y as a function of x comma t. Differentiate only what time with and keeping x is constant bacha by t. So what you can write dava by beta dava t. This is what, my dear, you can say beta. I hope all of you remember that this short trick here. I taught in class multiple time. Differentiation. Okay, beta. Okay, Subir bacha. In the classroom, beta, I taught multiple time. Again, I'm repeating, bacha. Again, I'm repeating, bacha, but differentiation of any of the function. Beta, this will come as it is. This will come as it is. Now, bacha party, what is the coefficient of x here? Yes. Can you write your name here? I can say 45. Because you are responding good. Yes. Today, all of you responding very good here. Yes, bacha. So, beta, coefficient of a bit, x beta, we can multiply only. So, this is a way to differentiate, I can say, exponential function. So, bacha, here simple here. What you can say? Sir, this entire function will come as it is. A to the power minus x plus 2t. E to the power minus x plus 2t. What is the bit I can say coefficient of x? T. That is 2 only. Simple multiply with that. So it can write over. I'll write here once again for more, I can say, visibility for everyone. This is my dear. You can write velocity of particle. This is what, bacha? Twice times e to the power minus x plus 2t. Okay. Now, beta, I'm going to differentiate again here. Now, bacha ji, I'm going to differentiate again, bacha party. That is what, my dear? This is, beta ji, you can write, my dear, this is dava by dava t. Next student, I'm going to differentiate again same function. So this is dava by student dava t square. Right. Okay. This is what, my dear? You can write student acceleration of particle. Right. So again, same function, same sort trick you can apply. But this entire function will come as it is. What is the coefficient of t bacha party? So what you can say? This is 2 only. So simply beta multiply in your answer. 2 2 are 4 bacha. E to the power minus x plus 2t. e to the power bacha what? Minus x plus 2t. Right, bacha party? Okay. So this is beta. We got your answer from here only. Till now. But till now, we used to find what? Velocity of wave. Velocity of wave. So just now I proved the result here. So now just I differentiated two times with respect to, I can say beta, this function time. Now bacha, I'll differentiate same function two times with respect to x. Okay. So have a look everyone. So I'll write here given equations once again. So this is what, my dear? Y is equals to e to the power minus x plus 2t. Now, student, here I'm going to differentiate to keeping time is constant. I'll differentiate beta only x here. So this is what, my dear? Dabba by x minus beta z e to the power minus x plus 2t. I hope all of you got it how I wrote minus, because beta just coefficient of t beta, coefficient of x coming out with beta, because here what we I differentiated with respect to x, keeping time is constant. I hope you got it. Now beta, this is the first time differentiation here. Now beta, again I'm going to differentiate dava 2 beta g daba 2 by upon beta what? Daba x square. This is beta what? Again we can write here because exponential function will come as it is, my dear. What is the coefficient of variable? Just simply multiply. So beta, what is the coefficient of x versus party? Minus here. So minus minus plus. Spin minus minus plus here. What you can say? E to the power beta z minus x plus 2t. Minus x plus 2t. Simply do bacha buddy. What beta? You can see, my dear. You can see, my dear. This is what. Let us say equation number beta. This is you can take beta equation number first. This is what equations number second beta g. Right, my dear. This is what equations number third. Okay. So I'm writing again here. Beta, what I can say? I'm going to divide. Beta, I'm going to divide what bacha bati? Equation second by third. So what's the beta second equations? That is simple, my dear. Daba 2 by daba t square upon bacha ji daba 2 by daba x square is equals to what, my dear? Tell me first, everyone. Just now we differentiated here previously. This is what beta ji? 4 times e to the power minus x plus 2t. So beta, I'll use beta this result directly, my dear. So this is beta the minus na? Take once. No, there is no minus at all. Plus beta 4 e to the power minus x plus 2t. Now beta party. Okay. Beta, what is this here? So again, this is remains plus beta. Plus e to the power minus x plus 2t. Now you can see easily, sir, this one and this one here. Kupach kupach. Now beta ji, this one and this one bacha bati. What you can say? Kupach kupach. Okay, simply you can write bacha. This is daba 2 by beta daba t square. Daba 2 by beta daba t square is equals to what, my dear? 4 times this is daba 2 by daba x square. Beta, you can compare bacha. This is the equation from beta initial year which we derived. This is beta we derived this result, my dear. Okay. So beta, what I can say bacha, currently bacha I'm not looking at. I'll reply beta very soon. Daba 2 beta daba t square velocity of wave whole square daba 2 by daba x square. You can compare bacha, but simply you can say, sir, velocity of wave square is equals to 4. So velocity of wave you can write, my dear, that is 4. Oh, sorry. My bad. My bad, beta. This is 2 meter per. Okay, correct. I got answer from, I can see someone. I have to check chat box. Okay, okay, Subir, correct answer. I can see there is one more person here. I don't know what's the name. OP edits. I don't know. 1 2 3. He also answered same only. Sir, will you do re-optics? Who is this? Okay. Then, very good, beta. Subir. Very good. Very good. Very good. Literally, today class literally are unforgettable. Hmm. I can appreciate here. Literally today class very much appreciable here. When I started to take, I can say like, bacha, your stream classes, but today class energetic here. Yes, yes, yes. Very good here. Now, bacha, have look please question everyone. Yes, beta ji. Any doubt? We clarify here only. If anyone has a doubt here, we clarify here only. Okay. Now, beta, I'm going to start here. Next question, beta ji, everyone. So, bacha ji, what's the questions, my dear? Attention, everyone. Beta ji, fine. बच्चा जी yes find find बच्चा जी velocity of particle find बच्चा what oh graph forget यार yes I'll do beta here only no no here I'll do बच्चा Suvir I can say someone answer me here this question I'll do little बच्चा yes yeah we wish to find what a graph here by as a function of x ना बेटा by as a function of x there. So this is y, bacha. This is x. In the classroom, bacha, I give your trick to remember y is equals to e to the power plus x and y is equals to e to the power minus x. How many from all of you remember, yeah? Short trick to just draw this graph. I gave you in your classroom here for flight landing and flight takeoff. In your classroom here, I gave this short trick, bacha party. Student, in your classroom, I gave short trick to draw graph y is equals to e to the power x and y is equals to e to the power minus x. Yes, beta, aeroplane only here. So, beta, if we have a exponential function here, e to the power x, bacha ji. If you have bacha, y is equals to e to the power x, bacha. So, graph, I can say flight only take off here. Said in the classroom, flight takeoff means what, bacha? I can say y is equals to e to the power x. Bachaji, if flight takeoff here, so you can say y is equals to e to the power plus x, my dear. Okay. Now, bacha, this is here. I can say y is equals to e to the power minus s. But a flight is landing here. How easy to remember, my dear? How easy to remember, my dear? So what's the answer, Bacha Party? What's the answer, Bacha Party? Tell me everyone here, what's your graph? Y is equals to e to the power minus x plus 2t minus x plus 2t. So beta, what here? We wish to find x versus t only. So what's the nature of graph here? Tell me everyone. This is what flight landing. Simple here. What you can say flight landing here. Okay, I hope all of you just revised your previously which I taught. Okay, plane crash. Okay, very good. Now, but next question, yeah, everyone, just do this question. Plane crash. Yes, beta. Next, bacha party. Find student. Find velocity of particle. Find velocity of particle. Uh, now, bacha, okay. Now, yeah, just everyone here doing, yeah, I can say masti. Good. Do something here. But study, be concentrate here only, everyone here. I'm very happy to see today class literally very good here. Today class literally very good here. So, bacha, we used to beta what? We are looking to find velocity of particle. Bacha, party, be attention everyone here only. So, beta, this is given equation here. I'm giving you bacha party by as a function of x comma t. By bacha ji what? As a function of x comma t. By student what? As a function of x comma t bacha. So this is you can take. I hope all of remember a sine beta g omega t minus kx. Yes bacha. So answer me here, find velocity of particle. Find velocity of particle. बच्चा, I can't say live stream classes, right? If your friend, if anyone in contact, then you can talk. He can still guide you, PYQs. I think he will leave. NS, stop your, I can say, this kind of conversation. Okay, anyone answer me from all of you? Anyone answer me from all of you? Okay, sir, velocity is root omega. Oh, very good. Correct. Correct. It's okay, NS. Maybe correct, Subir Mitra. Because as I beta remember this result from beta, I can say equation of SHM here. Good, my dear. Okay. So beta just I'll differentiate here twice, right? Bacha ji, velocity particle we wish to find here. So we remember everyone here. Beta differentiate given function with respect to time only, bacha. So we will get beta this is daba by daba t. A bacha, this is cos beta is omega t minus kx. And as you know, omega you have to multiply. So finally, you can write beta velocity of particle is what? Omega. This is a cos omega t minus kx. A cos omega t minus kx. Okay. So, bacha party, if particle is at mean position, beta what we can say? Particle is at mean position. So, bacha, for this condition here, at mean position. Beta, this is the point at which I'm telling you we have a beta simple harmonic wave, my dear, at mean position. Particle has a beta maximum velocity. Particle has, my dear, maximum velocity. This is what V is equals to A omega. V is equals to what, my dear? A omega, right? But what we got, bacha party? We got everyone. Velocity of particle is A omega cos omega t minus kx. But I do little, I can say, calculation, bacha party. You can take, bacha. This is step one. Now, beta, I'm going to do step two here so that you can easily understand, bacha. My dear, what can I say? Yes, beta. This is the equation here. You can write again. Let us say equations number one. Beta, just little rearrange here. So you can say y is equals to a sine beta g omega t minus kx. So this is y upon a beta. What you can write? Sine of omega t minus kx, right now. So this is the velocity of particle here we got. So in step third, beta, I'm writing final answer of these questions. Be careful, everyone. Here, it's beta pretty good question here because you are not. I didn't test you like too much detail. I can say, bacha, velocity of particle. Yes, I discussed. If anyone want to explore your knowledge, then go and search on YouTube. Oscillation by BK Sir. You will get here. I taught this thing. Lecture one already I uploaded here because some boys, I can say boys, or I can say one person, one boy requested, I can say commented under, I can say any video comment. Sir, I wanted oscillation lecture. So I took one lecture. If anyone want to explore, then you can go and watch. Now, but step three here. So, beta, what you can write with a party? This is velocity of particle. Velocity of particle is nothing but a omega cos of beta omega t minus kx. Beta, here you can write here cos theta. Beta, this is remains same idea. Velocity of particle, which is equals to a omega. Yeah, now I'm going to use beta one result here. I can say cos omega t, or I can say cos theta. You can write near cos theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. Cos theta is equals to what, Bachaji? 1 minus sine square theta. So this is a party. Here you can write here. This is 1 minus sine square beta g omega t minus kx. Just now, yeah, I proved, just we rearrange sine omega t by kx. What we can say? By upon a. So we can write Vachaji further here. Velocity of particle. This is a omega square root beta 1 minus by square upon Vachaji a square. Beta just take LCM here. So what you can say? Beta you can write further, my dear. This is a omega, but take a beta common also. A square take it out, but outside it's a square. A will come out only. This is what beta you can say a square minus. This is cancel beta party. So finally you can write beta velocity of particle. It's nothing but omega. If anyone want to explore your knowledge in oscillation, go and watch. Already I uploaded problem. I can say lecture based on oscillation. A square minus b by a square. I got answer from I can say Suvir. Suvir beta already answered this question. I'm literally feeling proud beta Suvir. Maybe I don't know because literally you are intelligent. There is no doubt at all. So this is condition here. But Party, just have a look at everyone. Maybe previously was not looking, but now it's fine for everyone. Velocity of particle is what? Subir beta, my Sam, beta, God bless you. Yaar. So this answer was a party. If anyone has a doubt, please clarify now only. All of you literally liking Bacha session here, so reaction here, everyone, for 5 seconds. Yes, like session here, everyone. Those who presenting currently. Okay, I'm looking here. I'm getting reaction from your side. Very good, beta. Maybe reactions by Shavir or I can say NS. Okay. Now, Bacha, have a look here. Next questions, everyone. Okay, that is last questions for today class. Yes, beta. So, what question, my dear? Find following, bacha. Everyone, yeah, note down questions. By as a beta function of x comma t. By as a what beta function of x comma t here. 0.15 sine of beta pi t minus pi by 2 x. Bacha ji, uh, sir, I don't know how time went away. Yes, no, because na beta, I can say so we this is thing this is a common thing beta so we're happening here also and class also because we are attending here yeah we are paying attention on the lecture only that's why we are not able to I can say justify what's time how time going fastly. Okay, now bacha next just beta what I said find following bacha party find following and you are literally champ only beta you are doing very good job bacha find following. I can say you improved today live session. Literally, I didn't get this much relation, I can say, from that class. But if you are joined here, so literally you improved entire one. There is a huge competition for answering the questions. Fine, following Bacha Party. This is my dear, I can say first one, amplitude. Bacha, God bless you, my dear. I'm very happy with your response here. Next, beta, angular frequency. Angular, बच्चा जी frequency. Now, beta, I can say third beta G, uh, angular wave number. Angular wave number. बेटा जी फोर्थ वन ईयर बच्चा जी स्पीड ऑफ वेव. Yes, बेटा स्पीड ऑफ वेव यार. Okay, already I can answer from Shubir. Okay, very huge competition here. NS also active. SS, NS three. I can say three candidate more active. Shubir, NS, and I can say SS. Okay, very good. Yeah, I'm very happy to see each and everyone here. Yes, I'm very happy to see everyone. Okay, very good. Yeah. Now, which I'm solving here. Very good, bacha party. I'm very happy to share all of you. Sir, velocity in terms of iota. Uh, Velocity beta in terms of iota or omega beta, you can replace na bacha party. You can replace na beta. Okay, there are four candidate becomes active. Okay, very good. Now, bacha, I'm going to do this question here. I'm going, bacha. I'm going to initiate to solve this question, bacha. So listen, everyone here. Solution, if you have done, that is very good. It's great. Now, with attention here only, see my solution. If is there any error from my side, just see carefully, bacha. 0.15, bacha, sine of, you can say pi t minus pi by 2 into x. Beta, I'm going to compare this equation from beta. I can say standard equation of traveling wave. So this is what my dear by as a what x comma t, bacha, 0.15. Sorry, it's my bad. Beta, this is a sine omega t minus kx. Beta, this is standard equations of traveling wave. Simply, bacha, we can answer here, or I can say first part. First part, student, we wish to find amplitude. This is what, beta, you can say 0.15. Answer, beta, you can take in centimeter, yeah, equation mentioned. So this is what, beta, you can say 0.15 centimeter. Beta, what you can see what's about the amplitude here, 0.15 centimeter. Okay, second beta angular frequency here. So second beta angular frequency, nothing here, omega. So omega is what beta party? Omega you can write 2 pi f. Omega beta what you can write? 2 pi f. So omega is beta what? Simply we can write from here beta pi only. Now beta I'm going to find your frequency. So omega beta we can compare from here beta party simply. So we can write beta omega is nothing but it's a pi. Is equals to 2 pi beta. Pi cancel here. So finally beta f what will say 1 by 2 hertz frequency beta. Second part. Third part beta what we have to find? Angular wave number. This is k beta. K is what? Omega by v. K beta what we can see? Omega by v. Okay. Now beta party. K beta. What is omega? Omega beta remains pi only. Omega beta what you can see? This is remains pi only. Or do one thing here. K beta also we can find now. Beta k also we can find 2 pi by lambda. 2 pi by lambda, right? So simply, but I can write for this condition because we wish to find k angular wave number. So k beta, what we can say simply here. No need to do this entire calculation. No, 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 no. Simply we can say, but this is also k beta, and this is what kx here. So angular wave number was the party. Third point here. Simply we can say this is pi by 2. This is pi by 2. Last year, what they asked velocity of wave. So velocity of wave, bacha, if you remember in the classroom here, I see it here. This is first, second, beta, third point only here. This is my dear last point. You can see point number 4. I said here in the classroom today, coefficient of t, beta, this is the formula, coefficient of t by coefficient of x here. So what is the coefficient of t, bacha? This is what? Pi only. Coefficient of x, bacha, party. What you can say? This is minus pi by 2. Cancel here. So answer you can write 2 meter per second. You can write with the what? 2 meter per second. But I'm going to add here one more point. But space is finished. Right. So here beta, just I'll add the point here. Beta in point number 5. You have to find which party I can say velocity maximum. So beta what you can write, bacha? It's nothing here. It's a omega. It's what's party? A omega. Okay. So now, student, I'm very happy to see you everyone. God bless you all. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Now, student, I'm going to stop this live session. But I'll start next live session 9 o'clock. Chapter reoptics. All the very best.